In this tutorial, I will introduce you about the concept of centroid and center of gravity. Before starting our today's tutorial, please subscribe my YouTube channel Civil Tutor and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates in future. Center of gravity is defined as the point at which whole weight of a body is assumed to be concentrated. For illustration, consider a body having a weight of W equal to mg due to gravitational pull of Earth. And suppose this is the point where whole weight of this body is assumed to act. This point can be termed as center of gravity of this body. And centroid is defined as the point at which whole area of a plane is assumed to be concentrated. This plane area may be a circle, a rectangle, a triangle, a quadrilateral, or any other plane. Centroid of a plane is represented by CG or simply capital G. For illustration, consider a rectangle of area A and suppose this is the point where whole of its area acts. This point can be termed as the centroid of this rectangular area. It should be noted that centroid and center of gravity lie at the same point. I have mentioned here CG of some simple plane figures. CG of a uniform rod lies at its middle point. CG of a rectangle or a parallelogram lies at a point where its diagonals meet. CG of a triangle lies at a point at which the three medians of the triangle meet. And CG of a circle lies at the center of the circle. So this was all for today. For more about this, you can visit the link given in description below. For much more informative and interesting content, subscribe my YouTube channel Civil Tutor and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. You can also follow me on Instagram at civiltutor152. We'll catch you up soon. Thank you.